Let us find all factors of 36 by prime factorization method, step by step. Before solving the problem, please go through the below steps. Step 1. Find the prime factorization of 36 in index form. Start dividing 36 by the smallest prime 2. Since 2 divides 36 exactly, we get 18. Again, start dividing 18 by the smallest prime 2. Since 2 divides 18 exactly, we get 9. Again, start dividing 9 by the smallest prime 2. Since 2 does not divide 9 exactly, move to the next smallest prime 3. Since 3 divides 9 exactly, we get 3. Observe, 3 is a prime number. So, divide it by itself. Since 3 divides 3 exactly, we get 1. Stop here since 1 is reached. Now, collect all the prime divisors or prime factors. In this case, they are 2, 2, 3, and 3. So, prime factorization of 36 is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. This can be written as 2 to the power 2 multiplied by 3 to the power 2. This is the index form. Got it? Step 2. Write all possible powers of each prime factor from 0 up to the highest power. Let us write all possible powers for 2 to the power 2. They are 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2. This gives you 1, 2, and 4. Similarly, let us write all possible powers for 3 to the power 2. They are 3 to the power 0, 3 to the power 1, 3 to the power 2. This gives you 1, 3, and 9. Got it? Step 3. Multiply all possible combinations to get all factors. Here are all possible combinations. Therefore, all factors of 36 are 1, 3, 9, 2, 6, 18, 4, 12, and 36. Got it? Thank you for watching. For more tricky questions, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.